Welcome to TU Dublin Technology Services Eduroam Mac Guide. First, open a web browser and go to cat.eduroam.org. Next, click on the blue download button to download the installation file. The organisation window will open. Search for TU Dublin from the list of organisations and select it. Select your user group and then click on the download button for Mac OS. When the install file downloads, select the OK button to run the file. Select Continue to the next two prompts. Next, you will enter your username. Staff members must add the suffix @tudublin.ie to their staff number, while students must add the suffix @mytudublin.ie followed by their student number. You will now be prompted for your password. The Eduroam profile will be installed. You can now automatically connect to any Eduroam Wi-Fi point in your vicinity. Thank you for watching from TU Dublin Technology Services.